You're with NoUTurn and we are in Himachal Pradesh, the land of the gods. They call this Dev Bhumi. And we're taking you on an adventure trip with us to soar with the eagles. Yes, you heard that right. We're gonna glide and soar as high as the eagles fly. We're going to Asia's #1 and world #2 ranked paragliding site, Bir Billing. So stay tuned as we take you on this exciting journey with us. We headed straight to the takeoff point at Billing. This is about 2,500 meters above sea level, and this is where the flight takes off from. And we will land at Bir, which is the landing point, straight in the plains. Perfect mountain slopes and wind conditions make this the ideal place for paragliding all year round. Reshma has decided to sit this one out, so I'm going to be the one who's going to take the jump. Now there are two types of flights. One is the solo flight where you will need a license and mostly your own glider. The second one is the tandem flight where you fly with a trained pilot. So that's going to be my obvious choice. My pilot's name is Rango. He is the little guy but with big experience. He knows his skill and trade extremely well. So, some initial briefings about my flight and safety checks, and we are ready to hit the wind. This was my first ever flight, and I cannot put in words how simply beautiful and excited you feel when you actually take off. The moment you are in the air, it is the most beautiful feeling you can ever have. Typically, flights like this, which are tandem, would last for about 20 to 30 minutes. It takes a minute or thereabouts for all the excitement to settle in, and then the calm takes over you. And you start looking around and appreciating where you are, right with the eagles, staring down at the valley, the mountains, and the wind hitting you softly in the face. I'm so glad I actually took this leap, and I would advise anybody who's watching this video that you should try this at least once in your lifetime. So as I settle into my saddle, a song comes to my mind which I'm going to play for you. So sit back and enjoy the ride with me.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell